We are in the middle of Avalanche. I have been booted out because I
Hello.
had an avalanche on me. Okay. My granddaughter had an easy one. What's my grandson must be very nervous.
No, he's just very bad at it.
Okay.
Orange.
Whoa.
Is he gonna take the?
No.
Yeah, look at that.
No, it's just peeking out. It's
I
probably
know
gonna
he
fall-
pulled it out like
No, it's
that.
probably gonna fall without us touching it. And then who will be fault? Will be that, or whose fault will be that?
Well, if you touch it and it falls. Wait. Oh, are you not playing anymore?
I'm out. Remember, I made it
Oh,
avalanche.
yeah.
I'm out with those green apples. I think.
Wait a second.
That's
Chloe was so
purples.
close. Chloe was-
Oh, that's easy enough.
I need a purple as well. So let's go.
Early.
Yes.
Ooh,
Three.
three of what?
Let's get
Color.
a purple. Wait.
2, 5.
5 now. Oh my gosh.
5. What? The orange.
No.
8.
No. It's,
8. Yes. 8.
no, it's not 8. It's 5.
Green.
5 green.
There is no 5 green.
Okay, then.
Then you'll have to
3.
pick. No, go get 4 greens and one of anything else.
I mean, I already have a green, so I'm
One
fine
of
with
anything else, you say?
Yeah.
that. Bruh, not one of anything else. Because
Oh,
then
he
he's gonna
can-
pick green. I mean, not green, but purple.
Then
Maybe
he
he pick
can
anything.
do it again. Spin again.
What? That isn't fair.
Oh, it's out. He's out. Okay. Thank you for watching Avalanche. Let's see.
Not really is that
We kind of
great.
changed the rules a bit to make it more exciting for our family. So, Avalanche Fruit Stand.
What are you doing?
Thanks. Bye-bye.